I'm really looking forward to starting this painting series class. The first class we're going to do is looking at the difference of warm and cool colors and how you can use that to improve your paintings. Obviously the color wheel is broken into warm colors, which are the yellows, orange, and reds, and then the cool colors, which are green, blue, and purple. You can just think that like the warmth is the sun, and blue is cold and sky and all these cool green grasses. And generally how you use this is you can use the what we know about warm colors coming forward in a painting and cool colors receding in a painting to create depth to what you're painting, whether that's a still life or not. Where the confusion kind of comes in thinking about warm and cool colors is that every color has a warm and a cool version. So there isn't just all cool blues. There's a warm and a cool version of blue, and a warm and a cool version of yellow, and a warm and a cool version of red. And this, how you choose the warm versus the cool red, yellow, or blue to mix your colors will determine what kind of quality of final mixed hybrid color you're going to get. So if you're wanting to mix a purple, since purple is cool, you want to mix it with a cool red because you'll get a more vibrant purple. If you mixed it with a warmer red, that's more of a complementary color, and it will muddy it. We'll talk about this more in class, but it's worth noting that within all of these primary colors there really are differences in levels of warmth, and that's how we'll determine how we're mixed. So how do you use this knowledge to make a better painting now that we know about warmth and coolness? Let's look at this example. If you look at the red, it's very obviously coming towards you. It's more vibrant. It's actually seeming to move away from the black, versus the blue seems to be kind of nestling into the black around it and pushing backward. So if we know that, if we know when we want to paint a structure or a form, say we want to, this is what's going to happen. Look at how forward this the warm colors are. Or in this painting, look at the plum on the right. It recedes into the background. It's darker. And the apple next to it comes forward, it's lighter. So this is how you get to play with space when you're doing a still life. Even Mona Lisa's face, the flesh tones are a warmer color than the background, so her face is forward, it gives a painting depth. Same with this Matisse one. Let's look at the skin on her. She wants the one cheek to be moving forward, that's a warmer color, it comes forward. The other cheek is a cooler color, it goes backward. In a very blatant form, you have these reds that are popping out of the blue and green behind it, making these Matisse figures kind of seem to float on the page. And this is a really interesting one to look at because it's almost flattened and made this abstract because the blue and the red are kind of playing with space. The parts that should be going forward are receding and vice versa. And this one is great because look at how in your face those orange warm fish are and the cool greens are receding. So it gives a lot of depth. And again, look at the green background is receding. It's cool. It's receding. And then the warm red is in the red of her face is coming forward. Warhol does this a lot in his screen prints. If you look at like how these choices he makes is creating this crazy sense of what plane of Marilyn Monroe's face is coming forward. And some of them the hair is receding, and some of the background is plain with the space in the front. So there's really so many great examples of using this. This is Andre Duran. He made a crazy, wild kind of sensation because there's no sense of what's going on here because he's playing so much with the receding and emerging colors in the kind of weird way that it's really playing with the composition. So there's a lot you can do to play with this. And so we're going to actually, with your series topic tomorrow, going to approach this pretty thoughtful at the front end. Like, how are you going to use warm and cool colors tomorrow to make the most of the image you're going to do? So I'm excited about tomorrow, and I'm excited to see you guys, and I look forward to it. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.